How to export a picture quickly from Adobe Photoshop. Well, we have a few options, but they are not too fast. Here at File, don't use Save, because Save will overwrite this PSD file which has multiple layers. Don't use Save As, because here you cannot choose the JPEG format. There is no JPG at Save As type. Don't use Save as a copy either, because here you have to always select manually that JPEG format, because it's never remembering it. But try to use export as. This has a hotkey, Alt Shift Ctrl W, and it can be also customized here at export preferences, because it is saving in PNG, which is larger. So let's go here to export preferences and use JPEG and OK. And now here at File, Export, we have Quick Export as JPEG, which has that hotkey. So if I press Ctrl Shift Alt and W, Ctrl Shift Alt W, then I get this window where I cannot press Enter to go to the next window. It's not doing anything. I have to click the Export button. And luckily I already have a JPEG there. So type in a name, whatever, press enter, and it was exported. Open a File Explorer window, and there is the thumbnail. Let's delete it. So once again, Ctrl Shift Alt W. You have to use the mouse to go there. Export. And now just the file name and enter, and it was saved.